Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2025 Cadillac XT4 Sport. Comes equipped with a 2-liter turbo engine paired to a 9-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as premium leather, heated and ventilated massaging seats, as well as drive mode selector, panoramic sunroof, heads-up display, and so much more. Check it out. Moving on to the interior, we're going to have this two-tone black and brown interior. Paneling storage at the bottom, next to speakers. You also got your power liftgate controls. Up here, you're going to have the power locks, mirrors, and windows with the seat memory, the dark wood and chrome accents. To the seats, you get these power adjustable, heated and ventilated massaging seats, super comfortable. And moving on into the inside left side here of your full diagonal screen, you're going to have your heads-up display controls, and as well as your trip computer and your vents. Left side of the steering wheel will be your cruise control, forward collision alert, heated steering wheel, and voice recognition. And the right side being your audio and phone control and volume, with 2 paddle shifters right behind. For the odometer, for the steering wheel controls, you can just see your audio and phone, and as well as the voice recognition. It's going to be push to start, and onto the infotainment. So you're going to have this full diagonal screen here. You can access vehicle status here, and that's going to give you a whole 360 view of the vehicle. You can access Google Assistant, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto, as well as your front, rear, and 360-degree cameras. And you can select which angle to view. Pretty cool. And you also have Amazon Alexa, Amazon Music, and Google Maps. Below, you're going to have the dual zone climate controls with the park assist and lane keep assist. Here you get your 2 USB ports and a 12-volt, and the shifter here. And this is your volume control, and you can access everything through this little dial here. You have your auto stop and drive mode selector. In the center console, you have your wireless charging pad and more storage. Passenger side, same finish, again power adjustable, and that Cadillac badging, wood and chrome all the way across. See there, you have the stitch, speaker and vents all the way up top. You're gonna have regular and digital rear view, and then here you can access your reading lamps, OnStar and SOS, and your panoramic sunroof. So you're these 20-inch aluminum wheels on Continental Pro contact tires. You're gonna have the paint match mirror caps with the LED turn signal and cameras, and keyless entry door handles. Luggage side rail up top, deep tint rear glass in the back with the dual exhausts. To the back here, 60/40 rear folding split seats with a splitter here. LED lamps, as well as extra big old storage and tools down below. It's a pretty spacious room. Okay, moving on to the rear interior, you get more paneling storage next to the speaker, power windows. Back, pretty decent legroom, storage behind the passenger and driver's side with rear ventilation, rear heated seating and USB ports. The cup holder and armrest right in the center, lamps and handles on the side, and above you again, the panoramic sunroof. Well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet as we checked out this 2025 Cadillac XT4 Sport, equipped with a 2-liter turbo engine, as well as premium leather, heated and ventilated massaging seats, panoramic sunroof, wireless charging, heads-up display, so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe, and we hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.